Introduction sets the stage by highlighting the shocking scale of Ponzi's deception and its lasting legacy, the Ponzi Scheme. Chapter 1. Living Beyond His Means explores Ponzi's early life in Italy, his sense of entitlement, and his squandering of an inheritance, establishing his character flaws. Chapter 2. A Wake-Up Call details his difficult early years in America and Canada, marked by odd jobs, poverty, and his first encounters with fraud at Banco Zerossi and crime forgery, leading to his first prison sentence. Chapter 3. Back in America covers his return to the U.S., a second prison stint for smuggling, and his eventual settlement in Boston. It shows his desire for a grand life with his new wife, Rose, and a string of failed business ventures, culminating in the idea sparked by an international reply coupon, IRC. Chapter 4. The Ponzi Scheme, the core of the story, explains the legitimate but flawed arbitrage idea with IRCs and how Ponzi, realizing it wasn't profitable, transformed it into the fraudulent investment scheme. Clearly defines how a Ponzi scheme works. Chapter 5. Highs and Lows chronicles the meteoric rise of his scheme, the lavish lifestyle it funded, and the inevitable collapse fueled by media investigation, the Boston Post and Clarence Barron, and betrayal by his own publicist, William McMasters. Chapter 6. The Dream is Over details Ponzi's downfall prison, a failed attempt to repeat the scam in Florida, arrest, more prison, deportation, and his final years dying in poverty and obscurity in Brazil. Key themes? The illusion of easy wealth. The entire story is a testament to the adage, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Ponzi preyed on people's desire for quick, high returns with no risk. Character and deception. Ponzi is portrayed as fundamentally flawed, entitled, resentful of hard work, and a natural manipulator who was better at dealing with people than finances. The mechanics of fraud. The script does an excellent job explaining the simple, ruthless robbing Peter to pay Paul logic of the Ponzi scheme, emphasizing its need for a constant influx of new victims. The human cost. It underscores that financial fraud isn't victimless. Tens of thousands lost their life savings, and banks failed, ruining lives. Historical legacy positions Ponzi not as the inventor of this fraud, but as the man who executed it on such a scale that his name became permanently attached to it. Presentation style. A script is written in a clear, engaging, and slightly dramatic tone suitable for a documentary video, evidenced by the ad break for ShipStation and the end screen call to action for another video about Joe Low. It breaks down complex financial concepts into understandable terms and maintains a steady pace through Ponzi's dramatic life. In summary, this script effectively chronicles the rise and fall of Charles Ponzi, serving as both a gripping biographical story and an enduring lesson about greed, credibility, and financial literacy.